We have received the Arctic Cat Blast today. Let's do a little walk around here. This is a 2021 Arctic Cat Blast with a 400 single engine. It's a new mid-size model that Arctic Cat has brought out. This particular one is a demo, and we're going to do a little take apart here just to see how it is built. So pulled off the side panel here. We have a pair of CVT clutches. A little different than what we're used to, but same idea. The whole sled looks a lot similar to what we're used to. Easy off side panels, same as our new full-size sleds. Similar chain case, large exhaust can. Now we'll take off the hood, which is just two more clips and one screw bottom center, and then an electrical plug. One of the first things we have a tendency to do around here, as soon as we get a new toy, is take it apart and see what makes it tick. So we have our single cylinder, liquid cooled, fuel injected, 400cc engine. Down in here you can see your throttle body, your exhaust valve. But basically it looks a lot like our 800 twin, just half the size. Batteries down by the recoil, solenoid on top of it. Under the seat, there's the spot. Looks like it's the same fuel tank likely as the ZR8000. So that gives you a little bit of a storage space in the back. To me, if you twirl up the spare belt, it would fit in the back of the seat. You do have to get a screwdriver out so you can take the screw out, but at least there's a spot to put the belt at that point. Similar slide rail suspension to what we're used to. Just everything's a little bit smaller. It's a 121 track on this thing. Being as this is a prototype demo, that might not be exactly the same when we see the real one, but it should be close. Back to the clutches. These clutches were made by CVTech in Canada, which CVTech has made a lot of our ATV clutches in the modern world now. Prototype is running a standard ski, standard carbide. It's just everything's just a little bit smaller, a little bit shorter, a little bit narrower. The overall length is not going to be much different than a 129 sled. So, very basic controls, just on-off switches for your hand warmers, high beam, low beam, spring-loaded toggle for the reverse, and on-off for the thumb warmer. Standard gauge, very similar to all our ATVs, and is electric start and reverse. Hydraulic brake.